1.2, in that 19th question, Subbu Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 and received an increment of 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? Children, you read one more time the question and collect the given data. What they are asking? So, in which year he will receive 7,000? He started his work in 1995, that is 1995, then 1996, 1997, and in which year he will get 7,000? The first year means in the 1995 he is getting 5,000. Next year 5,200. In 1997 5,400, and so on in 7th, and he will get 7,000. That is in which year? That you should calculate. Now A is equal to the first year salary, that is 5,000. D, that is every year he will get the increment of rupees 200, that you write it. AN is what? AN is 7,000. Now what you should calculate? N value you should calculate. So we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 whole into D. Now substitute all the values here. So AN is 7,000, A is 5,000, D is 200, and calculate. You will get how many years you will get. That is the answer.